Hello and welcome to this very special episode of Life Sessions presented by HDFC Life in partnership with ET Now. We're going to be talking about life insurance, obviously, but more importantly about how we're bringing the best of both worlds. We're bringing together savings and insurance in that. And I have a panel of experts joining me here today. Allow me to quickly introduce them to you. First up, we have Mr. Madhup Jain here with us. We have Dr. R.K. Shetty. And we have Mr. Bharat Shah. These are my three insurance experts. And also we have Vaibhav Gupta. He's the head strategy and growth proprietary channels at HDFC Life. Gentlemen, thank you so much for being here today. Vaibhav, as we start the discussion, I want to first bring you in to help set a little bit of context. Talk to me a little bit about how you're seeing the growth of life insurance. Importantly, the regulator has this important vision of insurance for all by 2047. How are you seeing the insurance experts ecosystem also expanding with that, and maybe some thoughts on how HDFC Life is driving this?
Sure. So, see, if I just reword your question differently, a little bit differently, to me, I think the IDA's vision of insurance for all for 2047 is actually a vision of not only economic growth, but it's a vision of financial resilience. And life insurance is one of the most important pillars of that financial resilience. And within that growth, through life insurance, I think the insurance experts, driver of that growth, is one of the most important lever to drive that growth. Why do I say that? Frankly, because fundamentally, actually, insurance is a trust-led business, right? It's not a business which can be sold digitally completely, right? You need people to guide customers. Today, people don't buy insurance because they understand risk management, they understand actuarial concepts. They buy insurance because there is someone who can help them guide through very deep personal questions. Questions like, what will happen to me if I am not there? What will happen to in my retirement? What will happen for my child's future? Right now, these are very deep personal questions, and you really need experts to answer these questions. And we have three of them sitting here. So, of course, when you speak to them, they will share their thoughts. But since this is a trust-led business, I think that profession is extremely important. So, therefore, this becomes a very important facet of that development towards to 2047. What is HDFC Life doing about in this journey? I think our strategy is very clear in terms of we have three core priorities. Number one, we want to have a very high quality expert network enabled through digital tools, through training, through mentoring, and through all the support that we can provide them. Second is the products. We have to be at the forefront of product innovation, and we are. HDFC Life is at the forefront of product innovation. We have products across categories, starting from protection to retirement to savings to annuities. So, yeah, that's the second point in our strategy. The third really is reach. We have to be available at the right place. So, we are expanding constantly in the last many years, and of course, we will continue our expansion plan into tier 2, tier 3 and emerging Bharat, so to say. So, yeah, I think that's our strategy, and that's where we are playing a role in this mission for insurance for all by 2047.
Fantastic. Well, thanks, Vaibhav, for setting context for this very exciting discussion that we're going to have. I'll move to my right, Dr. Shetty. Just taking off from where Vaibhav set the context. Today's consumer, they're planning for multiple goals, whether it's the child's education, retirement, or even marriage of children. Importance of it's obviously important for them to create financial security for themselves, for their family. How are you seeing this savings and insurance mix in life insurance? How are you seeing it help your customers prepare for these important life goals of theirs?
See, today's what is happening is every customer, they want to set their goals, financial goals, ready for all the events which is going to come in the future. Question is, many times when they see, so who is going to help them? I know that what is going to happen. For example, in a time to come, my son or a daughter will complete their 10th standard. they will go for a further education. There is a huge financial expenses thereafter. Subsequently, their foreign education, that is going to be an expensive. Thereafter marriage, thereafter maybe settling down in their life. By the time I am around 60s, so my retirement also has to be looked into. So all these goals, they know that they have to do it, but they confused with so many products, so many companies, so many the apps and so many technology platform available. So with this, if my experience of 35 years being in the industry, I have seen not even 5% people actually they do it. More particular, I see the high paid professionals, doctors, the very busy individuals, they want to do it, but they end up, they don't do it in the last 15-20 years. So therefore, today the products are available, informations are available, there is a role play coming like experts like us, where the most of us now, if you ask me, 80% of my customer, their financial plannings are taken care of. Like the event like COVID, event like today's wars kind of a situation. What is important, we always say not only that you save for your tomorrow, you save for your events, also make sure there is enough liquidity available with you at any given point of time. Because through insurance product, there is always safety, there is always a security, there is always a liquidity. So safety, security, liquidity, and there are some of our products today in India, all company put together, there is a guaranteed products and guaranteed for life. Okay, so if you properly plan it, sometime you can make it guaranteed, but the tax free also. So this kind of a products, you definitely need an expert advice. You need to sit with people, you need to understand. So he will analyze your need and accordingly guide you and take you through and make sure that your life is settled.
So that's very important, sir, because it's also so important that it is a customization, because what everybody requires is different. So it's very important to have someone to guide them on that. Bharat sir, I'll come to you next. So if we talk a little bit more in this space of, where the savings and investment oriented solutions that are on offer, what are some key product categories, some features within life insurance that you are seeing customers increasingly responding to, that customers are showing interest in this space?
The special categories are guaranteed returns, income, regular incomes, and maturity oriented products are increasingly witnessing strong consumer preferences.
And उसमें सर कुछ और जैसे आप देख रहे हैं कि people might be more, मेरा point वो है कि एक समय था, अगर आप समझिए 20-30 साल पहले, the whole market was different, the consumer was different. आज का कंज्यूमर अलग है, उस पर भी मैं बात करूंगा, बट आपसे फिलहाल यही जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि कस्टमर किस में और इंटरेस्ट दिखा रहा है हमें, किस टाइप ऑफ ये सेविंग्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट्स में, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में उन्हें इंटरेस्ट दिख रहा है ज़्यादा, आपको क्या लग रहा है? आपको
कंज्यूमर आर मोर increasingly on flexibility with milestone payouts,
right.
retirement income planning, and liquidity features.
Right. So usme you are seeing them show more interest in that. What about, sir, one point is also that, जैसे what Dr. Shetty also spoke about, simplicity और transparency अभी ज़्यादा आ गई है, जो पहले कम था, तो उसमें भी आपको लग रहा है कि कस्टमर्स का जैसे थोड़ा ट्रस्ट बढ़ रहा है, या थोड़ा मतलब उन्हें भी फेथ हो रहा है कि हाँ ठीक है?
Simplicity and transparency are the driving force to make the decisions for this.
Okay, and that is helping them take it a lot. Also, sir, one thought is product innovation. Are you seeing that also, evolution of that? मतलब पहले कम products थे, अब थोड़े बढ़ रहे हैं. Any thoughts on that, product innovation?
Yes, product innovations are increasingly helping the insurers to serve the diverse needs of the customers.
Right.
Yeah.
Superb. So we'll just move ahead to Madhup. Madhup, savings and investment category in life insurance, like I said, it's appealing now to a wider spectrum. 20, 30 years ago, there was a different kind of consumer, different kind of customer. Now it's, I mean, everybody is interested, whether it's HNIs, whether it's people in a job, Gen Z, women, first jobbers. People are becoming more and more aware about the importance of life insurance, and yes, if you can get savings and investments together, then that's great. How are you seeing this, these different customer segments in your interaction with them, and how are you seeing this, the growth of this appeal across these audiences? What is your feedback that you're getting from the consumers?
Let's start with life insurance is an important pillar, has been important pillars of the financial architecture. Coming to your question, HNIs are moving beyond simple returns and using life insurance for wealth creation, portfolio diversification, and importantly succession planning. Even if you talk about Gen Z and first jobbers, now because of FOMO and a lot of financial literacy, so they are also beginning their financial planning much earlier, and they are also looking for the long-term goal-based financial decisions. Now coming to the women, which is one of the most growing segment, so they also want to become financially independent.
Yes.
So they are seeking for, and their prefer is to become financially secure, more independent from their parents or their partner, and they are looking for specialized or personalized financial planning.
Right, absolutely, because what I'm hearing from you and from the others also is that everybody is looking for something more personalized, something more customized, and the beauty about that is with the product innovation that is available. But this kind of leads me to my next set of conversation, which is about the insurance experts, like the three of you, and of course the millions out there also in the whole ecosystem. Because somewhere, you know what Vaibhav started with also, it is also about the trust factor is so important, because I am paying premium today for something many years later, and in many cases it might be when I'm not even around. So Dr. Shetty, I want to talk to you a little bit about the insurance experts ecosystem. Yes, trust important, customization, personalization important, but how are you seeing the role of the insurance expert evolve in the changing financial landscape, both from a point of, you know, what the customer is expecting from insurance experts, of course, digital, now the world is digital, so from a digital world also there are there's a sea change. Just wanting to get some of your initial thoughts on that.
See, today the customer importance, customer's expectation, and the insurance companies are working very much in line with the customer's expectation. And that can be, as you rightly said, the female earners and the life beginners, and just someone who is just talking about, I just want only a term insurance, you know, kind of a guys, or somebody who is around 40s and 50s, now he says enough is enough, I need to save somewhere in the financial products also. So today each company comes out with at least 8 to 10 products in a year, keeping the market in mind, keeping the market requirement in mind. So we as an insurance expert, when we advise or go to the people, just if the important is you need to have a knowledge of all the products which is available in the market across the companies, so that, and finally understand what is the need of the person. See, he will buy the life insurance from you, and if this is appealing to him, if this is catering to the need of him, if that need is taken care of, he is always ready to buy, he is always ready to put in money, he is always ready to wait for the 15 years and 20 years and 25 years.
Right.
So question is, how are you putting it across? Have you doing his financial planning properly? Have you analyzed all the needs of the person? And when you say, and standard dialogue that we always say is, sir, what I want from you is, it is 15 to 20% of your savings, 20% of total savings. So when this 20% can take care of all your events, when it is for you and your family.
So Dr. Shetty, I just want to take this one level deeper with you also, from a point of view as an insurance expert, as a career option for people. Because the role of the insurance expert has also changed. Yes. First it was outright selling, now it's like a partner, hand holding. It's not aaj kya kal bhul gaya, it's there throughout. Your kind of guidance that you would talk to our audience, people who are out there who are looking at exploring the insurance experts as a career option, what are your thoughts for that?
Today the one problem, what I say, I am in the industry for more than 35 years. If you go back about 20, 25 years back, it was all tied agents. They were there with the company, and once they come in, they are there to stay. They are ready to work hard. They are ready to explore the possibilities. And of course, all the insurance companies across, they do their best to retain the agent. I know they will give him the education, tool, material, etc. Today what is happening is, because of this technology, so many platforms are available, so many apps are available, and everything is open to you. So these new generation, those who come into the insurance industry, to me it looks like they get confused a lot, and they are not ready to work hard. You know, they come in today and they want the success in next 6 months and 8 months and 1 year. No, you need to stay in the industry, you need to stay in the business, you need to understand and study, because it is a need based selling. Every customer is different, every customer's need is different. So your solution to his problem is different. So when you understood and actually understand this, it takes about 6 to 7 years. So you need to stay. And if you stay, once you are in, I don't think so you will go out, because this is a noble profession.
Right.
At the end of the day, you are holding someone's hand.
Yes.
You are making sure that a family is fully protected. Their events are protected. Their financial freedom is given to them.
Yes.
So when you spend some time, when you start seeing these things falling in place, you feel very nice. And of course, the companies are giving a great rewards. Commissions are great today. And with today insurance companies' efforts, Government of India's effort, regulatory's efforts, so everything is fallen in place. Question is, my advice or my piece of information to all those coming in, you know, stay. Be in the business.
Yeah.
You need to do what is expected out of you.
Very true. So it's also about, the aim is that people have to keep in mind that maybe the start is a little slow, but you know the power of compounding that they say. It's starting is slow, but you catch up very much. And I totally agree, sir, that it is a noble profession. You are kind of putting some other person's family's life on the right track. You are helping them provide in them whenever they need it the most. Bharatji, I'll come to you now. One thought is that, you know, with every successful insurance agent has a personal story behind why they chose this profession. If you can tell me from your experience, what motivated you to become an insurance expert, and more importantly, why is the journey still something that you find meaningful and fulfilling? What is your experience?
Though I am a chartered accountant, it's my passions and dreams to provide a insurance cover to all the people, maximum to all the peoples. And another thing is, the profession offers a unique combination of financial independence, entrepreneurship, and social impact while being your own boss.
Yeah. So you get more comfort, more flexibility.
Yes.
in this. And so can you take me through some of, I mean, how many years experience have you had, sir, in this field?
I am in this field since last 20 years.
Wow, lovely.
Yeah.
That is a great thing. So it's just something that is your inbuilt passion that has helped you take this ahead. Madhu, just wanting to come to you now. See, we are seeing a lot more people now build careers in financial advisory and insurance. The overall market has also grown exponentially. So of course, a lot of people are building successful careers. From your personal journey, I'd like you to kind of share your experience. Where are you seeing how this profession has helped empower you? How are you finding this profession more relevant today? And what is some advice that you would like to give our viewers?
So like Dr. Shetty said, this is a noble profession, and it's been decade for me to be with HDFC Life and this insurance industry. So what advice, and this was a purpose-led chosen field. So this is basically the financial independence which you got, the flexibility which you got, and the financial independency which you give to the people. That's a great impact on the people. So it should be from your within to help others. So when I just advise to the aspire insurance expert, so success don't come overnight. You have to be patient and consistent. So it takes time, and it should be from your within to help people to achieve their financial goals. See, life is full of event. The full form itself says of life. So you have to be people. You are in this field when people are in not in the proper position to finance their all the personal needs and everything. So you are in the position when you are helping them. So that is the great field to be in, and there is a lot of flexibility into this field. It's the long-term career builds with your successful relationship and credibility. So I think this is one of the most important profession to be in.
And just Madhup, your thoughts on, so everything evolves. So how have you as an insurance expert evolved, or your advice, because some kind of training and support is also required for the insurance expert also, so that they are able to better understand the customer's needs. Just your thoughts on the importance of that.
So when initial I started this career, so I thought what it is about, there are so many products. So when we attended with trainings, the mentorship, so there are a lot of training programs which company provides. We get from the insurance expert. Other people like now I'm sitting with two experts with a lot of experience.
Right.
So we get to learn a lot of things. Like at one stage, all different age of people can come together in this field.
Right.
There is lot of experiences which you can share, and customer has experience, so they will come to you again and again. So this is the field you should be in.
Fantastic.
Just wanted to add one
Yes,
line to the training. See, in the insurance industry, every day there is something to learn. You need to learn, because the industry is changing, entire economics are changing, and the people behaviors are changing, their thinking patterns are changing.
Right.
So in the whole thing, training makes a difference. More and more, those who are into the training, those who put their mind and soul into the training, they stay in the industry.
We are running out of time. I would have loved to have a longer conversation, but as we get into closing remarks, and this question is for all the three insurance experts, and I'll start with you, Madhu. If you can, from your experience, just share a kind of a sar utha ke jio moment where you felt that this phrase came to life. And also your thoughts on some initiatives that you feel HDFC Life has been doing that has helped either the customers or the insurance experts ecosystem. Just your thoughts first, and then we'll come to the rest.
So as I said, it has been decade to work with HDFC Life, and there is a lot of sort of Uthake movement, Sir Uthake Jio movement within last decade. With regards to customer, there are a lot of product innovation which HDFC Life has done. It's very easier to sit at front of customer and say, customers like it's a unique product, it's their purpose getting served, their goals getting achieved, and each segment, I told you, like for retirement, for childs, each and every segment has been catered by HDFC Life. So there would be moment, the main I think was the COVID, when clients, there are a lot of uncertainties happened. So client, like they called us the first thing, like Madhu, this is the thing has happened, now what further? So I rest assured them, this is the amount, at least your lifestyle won't be changed. That is the one of the most profession we are into it. So that is the main moment when you feel proud, not while meeting the first time, but when at each and every stage when customer achieves their goals or some uncertainties or in each and every stage of their life. So this is a proud moment, and there I think if I share, there would be a lot of moments, but HDFC Life has done a very unique things and very innovative products, training, lot of things are there.
Super. Great to hear that. Dr. Shetty, your thoughts?
Once you invest your money in any of the life insurance company, you are a worry-free person. You will feel nice, you will feel happy, because see, you take example of any individual. Everyone, what is that I am thinking today? How my tomorrow is going to be?
Yeah. Right.
How I am going to financially, I am going to be after 3 years, I am going to be after 5 years. So this worry is always there. If that is taken care of, and the beauty with insurance company is, today you pay your first installment, that worry is transferred to insurance company from you. So that is the beauty of being in insurance industry.
Fantastic. Bharat sir, your thoughts on this? Aapka sar utha ke jiyo moment.
Helping the customers to secure their family's life at important points. Provide strong emotional satisfactions.
Yes.
And while expanding the networking. That's a great moment for me to sir उठा के
Superb, superb, sir. Sir, and any thoughts on anything that you feel where the company HDFC Life has been able to help the customers and even the insurance experts?
100%. Because at HDFC Life, when we achieve the MDRT, TOT, COT levels, we get the opportunity to meet the giants of the industries, and we gain the knowledge. So it's a good,
big improvement there. Thank you so much, Vaibhav. I'm coming to you now as we close this very interesting and insightful discussion. Just if you could share your final closing thoughts with us and our viewers.
Yeah, so I think very insightful discussion by all the three insurance experts here. I think I'll just like to end with saying that if you look at India today, right, India is already one of the largest insurance markets in the world. And even with that, our insurance penetration is literally half of what the global average is. So the opportunity is immense for life insurance in India. When we spoke of insurance experts as a profession in India, and we've spoken about it, I think we fundamentally agree that yes, insurance will always remain a trust-led business, right? And for trust, you need people, right? And that's where the insurance for all 2047 vision becomes extremely important, you know. And therefore, the insurance experts in this country, and three of them are sitting here, will play an extremely important role in realizing that vision. For us at HDFC Life, I think I and all of us fundamentally believe that to achieve this vision, it's not about doing policies or premium. It's about actually people helping the other people to achieve this vision for themselves, right? People protecting their lives, people helping them plan not only for tomorrow, but for decades, right? And that's the difference in life insurance, right? We don't help plan for tomorrow, we actually help plan for decades in the future. So, so I think that's where this vision becomes extremely important, and HDFC Life is deeply committed to work with the regulator, with our insurance experts, to make this vision a reality.
Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us on this special episode of Life Sessions presented by HDFC Life in partnership with ET Now. Now, as you can see, today's discussion highlighted how life insurance is evolving into a powerful tool for long-term financial security, disciplined savings, and future preparedness. Now, while insurance experts continue to play a meaningful role in helping families across India protect their aspirations and build confidence for tomorrow. Until next time, remember, financial security is not just about building wealth, but about securing lives, dreams, and peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching.